Welcome. You are about to board a flight to fluency. My name is John, and for the next few minutes, this runway is ours. Forget the waiting lounges and the crowded gates. Right here, right now, we are going to master the language of travel. Every single sentence you hear, you will repeat. Don't just listen, speak with me. This is your ticket to confidence. Let's begin our descent into perfect English. I need to go to the airport. I need to go to the airport. Please take me to the departure terminal. Please take me to the departure terminal. Is this the road to the airport? Is this the road to the airport? I am checking in for my flight. I am checking in for my flight. Can I see your passport, please? Can I see your passport, please? Here is my passport and my visa. Here is my passport and my visa. Do you have any bags to check? Do you have any bags to check? I have one suitcase to check in. I have one suitcase to check in. This is my carry-on bag. This is my carry-on bag. Please place your bag on the scale. Please place your bag on the scale. Is my bag overweight? Is my bag overweight? You will have to pay an extra fee. You will have to pay an extra fee. I would like a window seat, please. I would like a window seat, please. I prefer sitting by the aisle. I prefer sitting by the aisle. Here is your boarding pass. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate A7. Your flight departs from gate A7. What time does the flight begin boarding? What time does the flight begin boarding? Boarding will begin in 1 hour. Boarding will begin in 1 hour. Please proceed to the security checkpoint. Please proceed to the security checkpoint. I need to take off my jacket. I need to take off my jacket. Do I need to remove my laptop? Do I need to remove my laptop? Take all electronics out of your bag. Take all electronics out of your bag. Please empty your pockets. Please empty your pockets. I am carrying a bottle of water. I am carrying a bottle of water. You cannot bring liquids through security. You cannot bring liquids through security. Walk through the metal detector, please. Walk through the metal detector, please. Where is the departure lounge? Where is the departure lounge? I need to find my gate. I need to find my gate. Is the flight to London on time? Is the flight to London on time? Your flight is currently delayed. Your flight is currently delayed. The new departure time is 5 p.m. The new departure time is 5 p.m. I am at the wrong gate. I am at the wrong gate. I have to hurry to gate B12. I have to hurry to gate B12. Is there a shop nearby? Is there a shop nearby? I want to buy a magazine. I want to buy a magazine. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? I would like a bottle of water. I would like a bottle of water. Do you have any sandwiches? Do you have any sandwiches? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? It is located near the food court. It is located near the food court. Please listen for the announcement. Please listen for the announcement. They are now boarding first class. They are now boarding first class. They are calling my row number. They are calling my row number. Please have your boarding pass ready. Please have your boarding pass ready. Welcome aboard our flight. Welcome aboard our flight. You are seated in row 15. You are seated in row 15. I need help putting my bag up. I need help putting my bag up. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt. Put your seatbelt on tightly. Put your seatbelt on tightly. Please put your seat in the upright position. Please put your seat in the upright position. Raise the window shade. Raise the window shade. We are preparing for takeoff. We are preparing for takeoff. Please turn off your phone. Please turn off your phone. You must activate flight mode. You must activate flight mode. The flight attendant is very kind. The flight attendant is very kind. May I have a pillow? May I have a pillow? I feel a little cold. I feel a little cold. Could I have a blanket, please? Could I have a blanket, please? What beverages do you serve? What beverages do you serve? I would like some orange juice. I would like some orange juice. Is the food included? Is the food included? I ordered a special meal. I ordered a special meal. I am feeling a bit nervous. I am feeling a bit nervous. The flight is very smooth. The flight is very smooth. We are experiencing some turbulence. We are experiencing some turbulence. Please return to your seat. Please return to your seat. I cannot understand the announcement. I cannot understand the announcement. Could you translate it for me? Could you translate it for me? We will be landing shortly. We will be landing shortly. Please return to your seat. Please return to your seat. We are beginning our descent. We are beginning our descent. What is the weather like outside? What is the weather like outside? I can see the city below. I can see the city below. The landing was very smooth. The landing was very smooth. Welcome to your destination. Welcome to your destination. Please wait until the plane stops. Please wait until the plane stops. Do not stand up yet. Do not stand up yet. Remember to take all your belongings. Remember to take all your belongings. I left my jacket on the plane. I left my jacket on the plane. I need to go to baggage claim. I need to go to baggage claim.
Which carousel is for my flight? Which carousel is for my flight? I am waiting for my suitcase. I am waiting for my suitcase. My bag has not arrived. My bag has not arrived. I need to report lost luggage. I need to report lost luggage. Where is the exit? Where is the exit? I am meeting a friend outside. I am meeting a friend outside. I am so happy to be here. I am so happy to be here. I finally understand everything. I finally understand everything. You just did it. 100 sentences. From the curb to the baggage claim, you navigated it all with me, John. If you made it to the end, you have the focus and the drive to become truly fluent. Hit the like button to tell your algorithm you're serious about English. Subscribe and tap the bell so we don't lose each other at the next airport. Every journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single sentence. Keep practicing, and I will see you on the next flight. Goodbye.